I actually got this a gift, and honestly I didn't expect to use it much as I do now. This instant pot cooking book is packed like seriously packed with 1,000 different recipes, and what I love is how simple everything is. No complicated steps, no fancy ingredients, just real food you can make fast. The book breaks everything into categories, so whatever I want, vegetables, pasta, chicken, seafood, or something Lovecraft, I can find a recipe in seconds, and the tips in the beginning actually helped me stop guessing how long things should cook. What surprised me most is how many new males eat tired because of his book. It because basically took the stress out, figuring out what to cook after a long day. If you ever get an instant pot sitting around collecting dust, this book will definitely bring it back to life.